Hey, welcome back to the B&W Woodcrafts YouTube channel. Today we're going to look at the finishing, dyeing, and staining the top of the table base and filling in some of the parts of the arch table base that I kind of did off camera. So let's get into it. So yeah, here's the top of the table base. I'm just dyeing it with a ebony dye. It's really just a black dye, and I'm just putting one coat on both sides here. Just to get a good coverage, and then I go straight to stain, which you'll see later in the video. It's not hard, just add water, and then add the dye till you get the consistency or the color you want. So this is what it looks like once it's completely dyed and dry. So now I'm just grabbing the stain, and I'll just put one coat of stain, maybe two on there, just to get it a good coverage. You can see how dark it is. It darkens it up pretty good. It's pretty consistent. And here I am just finishing up the other side. So I actually did a lot of the mounting and a lot of the finish work on these arches off camera. Right there you can see the holes for the bolts that I put in. I filled the holes with the same type of wood, some dowels from the same type of wood, and now I'm just sanding them to try to get them smooth before I put a little epoxy down in there to level them out. The rest of it has already been dyed and stained, so it's pretty close to done now. So yeah, I'm just mixing up the epoxy, adding the dye here, and then that's pretty much it. I'll fill in those holes, and that'll be pretty much it for this video. The next video I'll finish up the table. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video, and also give me a little feedback if you would. Thanks.